This is one of the most sulit, only premium Korean barbecue I've ever tried. High quality meat sourced from Korea. Had the super amazing, only premium Korean barbecue experience at Wolwa Galbi. If you're in MOA area, located sila sa Jokno Boulevard, corner Coral Way. Guys, this is their special dry-aged samyupsal. Seasoned lang to with salt and pepper pero napakasarap. The meat is cut relatively thick to preserve the tenderness and rich flavor of the meat. Akala ko dati matigas yung meat pag thick yung cut, but I was wrong. Ang dali kainin nitong meat na to. The meat is actually very tasty on its own pero mas masarap pag nilagyan ng sauces. Na-demonstrate pa sa amin kung paano kainin yung rice ball with the samyupsal meat. Same as sushi, nilalagyan ng wasabi, then meat, then you can dip it sa sauces. So good! This is an amazing experience for us kasi nakita namin kung paano yung tamang pag-grill ng meat at kung gaano kaganda yung quality ng ino-offer ng Wolwa Galbi. I actually enjoyed eating the meat alone with the side dishes pero masarap din siya with the samjang sauce and vinegar. Pero when I tasted their marinated meats, naku, ito na yung favorite ko sa kanila. This is savory na may konting tamis and smoky flavors. Super yummy pag dinip lalo na sa vinegar with garlic. If you prefer a leaner cut of pork, meron din silang dry-aged pork shoulder. According to the chef, you can cook this according to your preferred doneness. Another favorite of mine is galbi. Ang sarap lang ng pagkaka-marinate nila. It's not overwhelming. Mapapakain ka ng maraming meat dito. They also let us try their spicy chicken. Sarap din to, manamis-namis na may kick. Very tender yung chicken and malalasahan mo yung spice once nginunguya mo na. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang side dishes. They have tteokbokki, which is my favorite Korean side dish, radish, kimchi, Korean glass noodles, corn with lots of cheese, steamed egg. We also got to try other dishes like this crunchy and tender chicken pop, seafood tofu stew. I love this by the way. Tama lang yung spice niya at very comforting sa tummy. Wala to sa menu nila pero they were kind enough to let us try beef sashimi. Alam nyo, first time ko lang makatry ng raw na beef talaga. Grabe, ang sarap-sarap ng amoy ng truffle. This beef sashimi is actually very good. Soft and clean ang taste. Look at the quality of meat. Dito pa lang, sulit na yung price with the quality of food and service you will get from Wolwa Galbi. Try nyo na rin, guys!